Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you curious about how the software is tested before it reaches to you? Or are you planning to start your career in software testing? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to the Manual Testing Mastery playlist. In this series, we will take you step by step through everything you need to know about manual testing. From the very basics of what testing is, to writing test cases, understanding bug life cycles, applying test design techniques, and much more. Here is a detailed list of content that we are going to cover in this video series. I will also share this link in the description. This playlist is designed for beginners who want to enter the QA world as well as the professionals who want to refresh their fundamentals. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of manual testing concepts and be ready to the next step into automation or advanced testing skills. So, if you are ready to build a strong testing foundation, hit the subscribe button and let's start your QA journey together. Welcome to the world of manual testing.